Okay, look at this. How to make money overnight. Okay, then I'm going to show you here. See, a lot of you, this is what you're doing. That's silly. And you're going to Google, and Google is going to lie to you because this is all BS here. Listen, in this video here, I promise you, I'm going to show you proof that you can make money overnight. This is Wesley, $1 billion virgin. And check it out. I just want to get right into it. Step number one. I'm not going to take a long time because it's very simple. Go to the site, Warrior Plus, okay? Go to warriorplus.com. And as a matter of fact, because I know some of you may, well, Wesley, show us proof. Are you making money? Watch this. Log in. Pay attention, kids. This is my account, one of my accounts here. $1 billion virgin, okay? Log in here. Now, if I go to my dashboard, I just want to show you proof before I show you exactly step by step how you can bring in money overnight, leave your job, drop out of school, and realize that Wesley Virgin told you the truth. Check it out. Dashboard, okay? Now, this is live. Today, $7,000. Yesterday, $14,000. 7 to 80,000. And listen, don't let these numbers impress you. Just nothing. What I'm going to show you is something that no internet marketer on the planet will ever give you right now in this moment. As you're looking at your phone, you're looking at your laptop, and I know you're getting excited. Say, Wesley, stop talking and just show us how it's done. Now listen, just pay close attention. You can pause the video, but don't miss a beat, because I'm going to show you how the easiest, simplest way because I did it. I started this company right here 45 days ago. And last 30 days, I did $300,000. I'm going to show you how I did it. Step one, okay? You need to create yourself an account, okay, on Warrior Plus. So go to warriorplus.com and basically go to free sign up, easy, username, password. And guess what, kids? It's worldwide. Africa, Bora Bora, Maldives, everybody, God, the devil, everybody can get an account right now. At this current moment, you don't need a driver license. You don't need a social security card. All you need to have is a username. Your username is Big Head Money, right? Whatever. And your password here, okay? Step number two, follow me. Listen, smash the like button if you're with me. I just want to make sure I move slow. Log in, okay? This is going to be my account, obviously. Step number two is basically you got to get one of the softwares or products to promote. Okay. Now listen, you see that right there? It says InstaPace, $1 billion virgin. Well, okay, now you may be saying, well, Wesley, you're just trying to push your product. Nope. Let me show you proof. Look, affiliate offers here. As you can see here, right now, my product is basically #1 in the world. You see that InstaPace? That's #1 in the world right now. On this platform. This platform has over hundreds of thousands of products. Out of all of them, look, you can just go, she said at 9,000, so 9,000 products. I'm sorry, I lied about that. It's 9,000. I'm #1. Let me tell you why it's #1. One, people are making money. New people, brand new people are making money promoting this. And I'm going to show you how easy it is. You're going to spend no money at all. I swear to God, no money at all. And not only that, people are buying InstaPace because, well, the refund rate is 1%. That means people are keeping it. They like it. And listen, in internet marketing world, it's a couple of things that you have to remember. Conversion rate, that's important, and the average sale. Conversion rate means that the average person, 35% of people that basically see that link, they see the offer, they buy. So what I'm going to do is show you step by step on how to get your link. And I'm going to tell you where to put it. And you're just going to have money that's just going to come in on autopilot. I taught this to a group that pays me about $10,000 $10,000 a month. And I said, why not? I just do it for you on YouTube here. So smash the like button because we're going to get started. And I'm going to move fairly fast here, okay? So listen, step number one is you need to make sure that you get your link, okay? So right here, it's going to say get link. You need to click that, okay? It's going to look something like this, okay? When you see this, you need to get approval. You're not going to see this because I have to approve you. Does that make sense? If I don't approve you, that means you don't make money. Let me give you an example. Look, these are brand new people that wants to make money. And when I approve them, then they start making money instantly. See? Approve. That's what I need to do for you. Okay? So when you sign up, you need to make sure you click on the link that says get link that's next to InstaPays. Because InstaPays right now is rocking the world. It's number one in the world right now on this platform. And we have so many people. Not just emails. I'm getting emails from single moms, teenagers. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to show you proof that people are making money here. Now, once you do that, and I approve you, and you have your link, it's going to look like this. You're going to copy that, okay? Copy that link and paste it somewhere. Now, listen, this is the last step, and this is how you start making money today, tonight, this afternoon. This is the reason why you're going to smash the like button. And in the comments below, you're going to say, Wesley Virgin, I love you so much. I want to give you a hug because for the first time, I can see financial independency because I'm making money overnight. This is what you do. You go to YouTube. Watch this. All you do is type in InstaPays. Watch this. Look at this. Look at this. You see these people right here? One, it shows you that it's working for people because they're making videos about it, review videos, okay? Now, this is what you're going to do. This is simple here. You're going to make a video right now. Listen, right now. You find the video that got the most views, okay? Like this one. You can click on it. And basically, you're going to model this guy's video. As you can see here, he just did a video with his face here. You can use your iPhone. It doesn't matter, but you're going to do a review video. Now listen, I do recommend you go ahead and buy the software, but you can buy it with your affiliate link. Does that make sense? That means instead of paying $17, basically you'll pay $8, $7. That's it. Because you're going to make commission by using your own affiliate link. Does that make sense? Are you with me here? This is how the big internet marketers do it here, okay? So, you're going to make a video, okay? Upload it to YouTube like this right now. You're going to model one of these videos here. Now, you may say, well, Wesley, what do I put in the description? How do I get all this stuff? Listen, let me give you a secret website. Just don't tell anybody about it. This is between me and you, big head, okay? Look at this. Go to a site by the name of vidiq.com. It's powerful because you may be thinking to yourself, well, how many people are actually searching InstaPays? Let me tell you why. This guy right here, I know for a fact he's making $100 a day with just lunch. He's making $3,000. This guy right here, I know for a fact he's doing $200 a day, which is in the video, just by the video. Because remember, 35% of people are taking it. They're buying it because it's a great piece of software. It's an Instagram software that allows you to make money and monetize it on an autopilot basis instantly. It's powerful, okay? So check it out. So, if I type in InstaPays, look at this. I just want to be transparent with you. Smash the like button. I know you love me. Look, InstaPays, 6,000 people right now are searching for this. Imagine if 6,000 people per day were searching this. If there's and look at the competition, it's low because it's low, right? See, these guys they knew that, so they actually created the videos. All you do is create the video like this black woman right here. She's making money. This person is making money because they're getting views, and this is all you do. I give an example. You click on it. You watch the video, model it. You don't have to use your face. You can use a software by the name of loom.com, LOOM.com. Smash the like button if you heard me, okay? And all you do is put your link right here. Not this guy's. Put your link right here. You post it, paste it. And listen, you don't need to have any followers. It doesn't matter. Because the algorithm is going to pick it up. Now you may be thinking, okay, Wesley, how about the tags? Let me show you. So I'm going to show you love. See, this is why people love me. I mean, they love and they hate me. But listen, let me give you the keys here. Look at this. When you get the vidIQ software, what it does, it allows you to basically steal the tags from other videos. Okay, that's how internet marketers and YouTubers do it, right? You think we're so smart? I mean, we are, but we're smart enough to realize that we just need to model somebody else, okay? That's already doing well. So you scroll down here, you just copy these tags. That's it, the video tags. That's it. And you apply it to the video. And automatically, within 24 hours, it will rank. And you will make money overnight. Smash the like button because I just gave you a ton of value. Now listen, watch the video again. If you're confused, watch it again. And as a matter of fact, I will put a link to InstaPaste below because I do recommend to buy it with your affiliate link first. So you pay $7 instead of $17. So you're making some cash there, one. And then you're going to upload a video, do a review, positive review, obviously. Upload it to YouTube. Take all the other people's tags, right? This guy's tags. And upload it with a beautiful picture of your face or not, and watch it rank. It's passive income. It's overnight. I love you. Let's go. Smash the like. Show me some love. Leg up.